Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bam Bam down in Georgia on his Stryker SR-655. Bam Bam got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, the ERF 2030 Plus MOSFET upgrade, as well as the electrolytic capacitor upgrade, and your personalized screen name. Alright Bam Bam, let's show you what we got here. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. We got you at 2 watts, so if you decide to run like a 4-pill or something, you'll have full adjustability. And right there, we're looking around 22 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 60 bird. 250 watt slug PEP. Hello, 120. Let's roll the carrier all the way down, 2 watts. Hello, and still 120. All right, Bam Bam's ready to come to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. Run a good mic, Superstar, a Static 636, Road King, something like that, and you'll be very happy. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.